Hi, everybody. The journey continues for me with amazing meetings, a lot of special companies. Today, I'm meeting with ExamVision, and I'm meeting with Tamsin Fabricius, the Chief Business Development of this special company. Tamsin, can you tell us a little bit about ExamVision?
ExamVision comes from a very small island in Denmark, and we've been making loupes on that island for over 20 years. We make the world's best customized loupes, and we have customers all over the world who are completely delighted.
I find it so fascinating to learn that you came from such a small place and you created such an amazing and strong and premium brand.
It's our absolute desire to make the best, so we only use the best quality materials. And being on the island gives us peace and quiet, so we can really focus on every single individual loupe.
Tamsin, I'm very curious to hear from you after 14 years in this industry. If you can share with us, what are the leading trends in the dental magnification domain?
Ergonomics is always an important trend, but customization is the thing that dentists are looking for more and more. And that's something that ExamVision does. We can make a working distance down to 0.5 centimeter if necessary. So we can customize every aspect.
Finally, I want to ask you, what would be your advice for a dentist that is currently looking at a magnification solution for their practice, of course, for themselves? What kind of tips you can give them?
I think the most important thing is they need to try and find the loupe that is perfect for them. Don't necessarily listen to what your colleague has bought, but go and try and find the one that's perfect for you and make sure that it's fully customized. Because when you're working for a short time with a loupe, your eyes and your brain will compensate if it's wrong. When you work all day, you will get exhausted if it's wrong. So you want something that is absolutely perfect for you.
But further to that, once a dentist is already looking at an equipment, how can they identify that that's a really quality one?
I think they will know when they look through it. If it's quality optics, they will simply see a difference. They will see a better picture. When you use the highest quality materials and when you use the highest quality coatings, as we do at ExamVision, then they will find that when they look through that, they see no color aberration at all. And there's so much light coming through that they can see every detail of what they're doing.
Thank you very much for an insightful interview. I learned a lot today about the magnification domain.
You're so welcome. I know, Osi, that you're a wizard, so I've got some special glasses for you. Maybe you can see the world in a little more color. And a little more detail now.
Oh my God! I see everything now.